Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we will be unboxing the Says Stamp Pad Kit. This kit is called Brushed Flowers. You will see that it is packed with some really fun and beautiful surprises. This kit includes a wide variety of hand-selected coordinating supplies, enough to keep you creating for hours. I will also share a link to the Says Stamp Card Kit Gallery where you will find wonderful designs by some amazingly creative designers and card makers. Let's unbox this month's kit and take a look at all the amazing products included in the kit. The first thing I see as I open the box is this little bottle of the Says Stamp Clear Embossing Powder. I love using embossing powders on almost all of my cards, and I'm really excited to use this one on most of my projects. Alright, let's pull out the contents of the kit. Every kit by Says Stamp comes with an inspiration sheet with some fun project ideas by some really amazing designers. This sheet comes in handy on days where I am out of ideas and need some beautiful inspiration. Alright, now for the contents of the kit. Here we have 4 new card kit exclusive Says Stamp Positively Saturated ink cubes. We have 4 colors: Lucky, Ocean, Rose and Citrine. These ink colors are so beautiful saturated dye inks with raised durable foam pads. I have used the Positively Saturated inks in the past and I can totally recommend these to you guys. They not only blend well, but they are also so good for stamping. Next in our kit is the Says Stamp Small Teal blending brush, perfect to get into the smaller images. These brushes come with a little cap to protect the bristles of the brush. How cool is this next product? Here we have the Says Stamp Junior Mesh Bag. It is very similar to the large 10 by 12.5 inch mesh bag. This tiny little bag is perfect to store your small crafty supplies and also for the next product that I will be showing you here. This is the new Says Stamp Flannel ink cube holder. This is designed to fit all of the mini ink cubes. Not only will it store the Says Stamp Positively Saturated mini ink cubes, but also my distress ink pads. The silicone material grips your pads and even the lids inside of each well, keeping them from sliding around on your work surface. This is extremely helpful when ink blending. Next, let's take a look at the pattern papers. We have 6 sheets of the Prima Painted Floral 6x6 double-sided pattern papers here. Some of these papers have really beautiful foiled details. I love the bold floral designs on these papers. These designs will be amazing card backgrounds, and you could also fussy cut out those little flowers and butterflies for your journals and scrapbooks. Next we have a metallic doll pink envelope, perfect for your A2 size cards. It comes with a sticky backer, so it's easy to seal. You don't have to lick it to seal it. Okay, now for the big surprise. This huge 6x8 stamp set. It's called Brushed Flowers. Take a look at these beautiful flowers and leaves. They are huge. The sentiments, they are perfect for any occasion. I love the bold script on the sentiment. I plan on using all of the colors on the mini ink cubes on these flowers and create a really colorful background for my cards. These sentiments are so beautiful and versatile. They can be stamped, heat embossed, combined with sentiments from other stamp sets, or even with die cuts. There are so many ways to use these stamps. Last but not the least, there are 3 sheets of cardstocks here. 100-pound black and doll pink cardstocks from Says Stamp, and a sheet of the Neenah 110-pound solar white cardstock. So, that was the Says Stamp Brush Flowers card kit. It is definitely a very fun kit, very bold and colorful, and has some really amazing pattern paper designs. The stamp set can be used for cards all round the year. In my next video, I will be using the leaves and flowers from the stamp set to create a very bold and colorful background. Stay tuned for that. All the supplies can be found linked in the description box below. I will see you back with some fun card projects that I will be creating using this kit. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you would like to share your creations, please tag me on Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.